This predictable physical boundary sparked a massive wave of innovation, and high-end firearms manufacturers began releasing specialized .45 ACP carbine platforms, including the futuristic, recoil-mitigating Crisp Vector, the highly reliable B&T APC 45, and modular carbine platforms chambered in .45 automatic. When paired with a modern suppressor, these carbines represent the absolute pinnacle of quiet, hard-hitting home defense and specialized tactical weapon systems, delivering the tissue-disrupting footprint of a wide, heavy projectile